How are you? What are you people doing? Doing your works? Very good. Children, as we are going with our second chapter, that is addition and subtraction, already we have completed addition, and in yesterday's video we have learned about the properties of subtraction. What are the properties? See, when we come to the basics of subtraction, the symbol of subtraction is minus. The answer which we got in the subtraction is called difference. When we are doing the subtraction, the larger number will be on the top and the smaller will be in the bottom. Means we subtract the smaller number from a bigger number, right? And when we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number again. When we subtract the same number from the number, we will get 0. All this we have learned in yesterday's video. Now we are going to learn how to do subtraction for a 4-digit and then 5-digit number. See here. First, today we will learn the subtraction without borrowing, means without any borrowings from the next number. Now we are going to learn about doing subtraction. Now, see here children, take two numbers here. See the first, let us see the first example. See here 5678 minus 2437. Here we have a 4-digit subtraction. Here on the top we have 4 digits and here we have 4 digits, and we are going to do the 4-digit subtraction. See children, already we know that while doing subtraction, we have to start doing subtraction from the ones place, that is in the right hand side corner. The ones place is in the right hand side corner, and we have to start doing subtraction from the right hand side corner. What are the numbers in the ones place? First, the right hand side corner we have the ones place, and what are the numbers in the ones place here? Here on the top we have 8, and we have to subtract 7 from 8. So already we know the procedure. 8 minus 7. Open 8 fingers, close 7 fingers, and the answer is 1. So 8 minus 7 is 1. 7 minus 3. Open 7 fingers, close 3 fingers, the answer is 4. And 6 minus 2. Open 6 fingers, close 2 fingers, it is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer here is, what we got is 3241. And in subtraction, what is the answer we got is called, it's called the difference. Means the answer which we get in a subtraction is called the difference. And here for the first one, what is the difference we got? See, 3241 is the difference, and that is your answer, 3241. It is the difference from the first one. Now coming to the second example, that is an 5-digit subtraction. Here we are doing an 5-digit subtraction. The same thing, we have to start doing subtraction from the right hand side corner, that is in the ones place. So here in the ones place, what are the digits in the ones place? 4 and 2. Means we have to subtract 2 from 4. Here 4 minus 2 is 2. And write in the same row, children. Don't make it this side and that side. Next, 7 minus 5. Open 7 fingers, close 5 fingers. The answer is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 1 it is 4. And 9 minus 4 it is 5. So, here the answer we got is 54,122. This is the answer which we got in a 5-digit subtraction. And what is this answer called? It is called the difference. So the answer, the difference is 54,122. This is the answer which we got in a 5-digit subtraction. This is how we will do a subtraction without borrowing. Okay, children, understood? Now an assignment will be attached to this. Do that, children. Thank you.